Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty going forward and important levels to watch out for. Nifty opens around 19,060, attempts to cross 19,100. Immediately, selling intensified. Supply pushed the index below 19,000 levels to close below 19,000 zones. Bank Nifty on an intraday opened below 42,700, attempted to cross 42,800, tested intraday lows of 42,580 to close around 42,700 zones. Index in bear's grip continues. We had clearly warned in our previous updates to avoid leverage longs. Markets would see pullbacks and pullbacks would not be the bull's back till more pain left. Now Nifty supports placed at 18,800 and 18,600 zones. Resistance shifts to 19,160 and 19,300. Bank Nifty supports placed at 42,400 followed by 41,800 zones. Dear investors, great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions. Focus on stock specifics to build your long-term portfolio in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Hope you enjoyed the market updates and is useful for your trading and investment decisions. If so, hit the like button and do share it to your friends and relatives looking for market updates and market insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, kindly do subscribe the channel for more market updates and interesting insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.